All right, as you guys can see, I will be unboxing. Oh my God, this is. I will be unboxing the 3090 Ti today, right now, actually. Now, as you guys can see, I'm having a little trouble even fitting this damn thing on my desk, just because, bro, this thing is heavy. It's big. That's what she said. 3090 Ti. We will be unboxing right here, right on this camera. I'm not about to do, you know, all different types of angles and stuff. Maybe I'll do that when I actually put the GPU in my PC. Right now, I'm just making videos. I'm probably going to make like several other videos on this thing. Bro, here we go, okay? I will be taking this apart, taking it out of the box, showing you guys in person how big it is. That's what she said. You guys get. All right, here we go. All right, so I got this off of Amazon. For those of you guys are asking, when I did get this off Amazon, it was at a great price. That's why I picked it up, of course. Got it shipped to me. Took about a week. Not bad at all. I'm not in a rush to put this in my PC build just because, if you think about it, I have a 2070 Super. Yeah, I will be replacing that for this, obviously. But, bro, I need to actually change a new air cooler. I need to change my fan cooler. I need to change a lot of things in that build. For those of you guys that don't know, my PC tower, my gaming rig, it's huge, okay? That's what she said again. It's so big to the point where if I start moving stuff around, everything's going to go all over the place. My PC gaming setup is so heavy, it's not even funny. So when I'm ready to put this bad boy in, I will obviously drop a video on it, etc. I'm just not in a hurry right now. I will test it out sooner, probably this week. So yeah, just stay tuned for a video. All right, so here it is. This bad boy. This is the GeForce RTX MSI edition, okay? The Supreme X edition. Now, I don't know too much about this edition at all. I'm not about to show you guys a review or anything like that. I'm pretty much going to tell you guys what I think about this, how do I think it's going to do in my new PC gaming build, and etc. Now, I'm hearing a lot of people say that this graphics card right here is the biggest graphics card out of all the 3090 Ti edition. Even the Founders Edition, the Gigabyte Edition, the Asus Edition, and so forth, right? Even the EVGA Edition. Now, for those console players that don't know what the hell I'm talking about, pretty much this is a graphics card. This controls the graphics. This makes their game look beautiful. This lets you run at 4K. This lets you run at 8K. This thing right here, you can play games at 8K. Can you believe that? Okay, no other graphics card can do that out right now, of course. Long story short, the 3090 gives you 24 gigabytes of VRAM. VRAM is pretty much what your graphic can handle, okay? So think about it like this. If you're playing a game such as, like, okay, for instance, Minecraft. Minecraft doesn't have that many max settings, so to say. In general, yes, it does, but compared to, like, GTA, max settings GTA compared to max settings Minecraft is totally different. You're going to need a little bit more VRAM for max settings on GTA or like Flight Simulator. You get what I'm saying. So that 24 gigabyte mark allows you to get high settings, meaning 8K, meaning 4K, high settings, ray tracing. You guys get what I'm saying, okay? Long story short, I'm not about to tell you guys a nerd analyst on this whole thing, okay? That's not what this channel's about. I'm just a regular person, a regular gamer, that knows just a little bit and enough about this stuff to not really show you so much so you can understand. If I'm telling you that you probably should buy this, it's probably true. You probably should buy this. But it's going to cost you about $1,500, of course. Looking at the box, this thing weighs, I want to say, about 25 pounds, okay? Literally soaking wet. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I've been lifting a little bit, so it could weigh a little bit more, and I just don't realize it because I'm just so strong, you know? All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh. You don't see that? They're not playing with this box. Oh, my gosh. Okay, here we go. Maybe I should do it over the top camera. Hey, is this a mouse pad? No way. Okay, so you get a mouse pad. That's cool. That's awesome. That's lit. Okay, so here's the graphics card right here. Well, I don't know what this. Oh, okay. This is a GPU mounting bracket thingy, so it doesn't like tilt or sag, so to say. I'm sure a lot of you guys have that problem. If you know what I'm saying. Okay, here it goes. Here's the GPU. Hopefully I don't drop it like Linus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's close the box for now. Right. Here it is. This thing is. Oh my god. Ah, bro. Bro, it's so big I can't even get it out. That's what she said. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. What? Bro, I'm actually like shocked right now, bro. This thing is huge. Look at that chip at the back. Oh my god. Bro. Yo, they weren't lying about this thing. Yo, now this thing looks awesome just by looking at it right now. The radiator is huge. You got the GeForce logo on the side, Supreme. It doesn't say 3090 Ti on the actual graphics card. I'm kind of bummed out about that. Like I would like to see them start putting that, you know, like 3090 Ti engraved into the actual thing. I think that would look cooler, more legit. But just by looking at it and hold it right now, it is very heavy. It is very big. That's what she said. Bro, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. Now, I'm going to put this down for now because I don't want to break this damn thing. All right, straight off the bat, this graphics card, just unboxing it for the first time, bro. I'm loving it. I haven't even put it into my gaming PC yet, and I'm loving it. As far as everything else goes, bro, I'm excited. I'm excited to put this in my gaming rig, not only to play Call of Duty, of course. I do like Call of Duty, but it is falling off a little bit. I think I'm going to play some GTA. I think I'm going to play some God of War. I'm going to test out some Red Dead Redemption. I'm going to test out some Forza. I'm going to test out a lot of games on this thing, making videos on it for you guys to let you guys know how this thing works and how great it is. I'll probably get a 4K monitor. I already have a 1440p, 3440 by 1440p ultra wide monitor that I'm going to run this with. I'm not going to use my 1080p monitor anymore. I mean, come on, it's pretty much overkill if I do that. I need some power. I need some juice. And this thing has a lot of it. That's what she said. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm excited to be making a lot of videos on YouTube again. I took a long break. And I probably shouldn't have did that, but I felt like I learned a lot over the year. And, bro, it's only up from here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stay tuned. Hit that notification bell because we're going to be dropping videos on this thing and you don't want to miss. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.